Do you want to improve the quality of a photo or image in Photoshop but you don't know how to do it? You are in the right place. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks. Well, the first step is to go to Image. Image size. Here we will put pixels. Here too. Here we will put pixels/inch, and here we will put 400. Here we will put preserve details, and this will raise it to 100%. Now right-click on the image, duplicate layer. Now we will go to Filter, Sharpen, Unsharp Mask. Here we will put 80, here we will put 10, and here we will put 16. Now we'll go to Filter, Other, High Pass. Here we put 0.5. Select this layer and click here to set Soft Light. Select both layers, right-click, Convert to Smart Object. Now right-click, Duplicate Layer. Select this layer. We go to Filter, Filter Gallery. We will go here and select this one. Click here, Linear Dodge. And lower the opacity to personal taste. That's all. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks.